Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you are just joining me for the first time, okay, we will be analyzing all these assets one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. I will be starting with GainX 1200. This actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it sold for a very long time. It has got into this support region. It has not been able to break out from there. So right from here, it has been playing around there for a while. If it goes back and break out below this support region, then it's going to uh, sell more. But if it does not, and of course, probably it breaks out above this region, okay, that means there is a break of change of character right from there. Okay, so it means it's going to buy right from there, then it's going to be going on bullish trend right from there. So we should take note of that. But at the moment, it is selling at the moment right now, okay, until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, okay, just the way we are seeing this, okay, and of course still on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a while, broke out from this particular support region to sell more, and it has been selling, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so right here, if it should break out below this, okay, if it should break out below this region, it means that it's going to sell more. Okay, and of course, if it does not and breaks out above this, then this is going to give us more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so we should take note of that, but at the moment it is still selling. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200 on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's check it out together. Okay, let me reduce all this stuff right here. Okay, so this at the moment it's actually got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it tried going on downtrend. It has got into this region. It has not been able to go further than that, so it's trying to pull back at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, it's most likely for it to sell more, okay, and may likely go above this particular region, okay, and of course that means it's going to buy more at that particular point. Okay, so but for now it is still buying. This might not be for long, most especially if it cannot um break out above the next resistance region. Okay, so this is very, very important. It is important that you understand all these things so that you will have a better understanding of how it works. Okay, if it breaks out above this, then definitely we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, but if it does not, okay, let me remove this, let me use another one. Let me use this. Okay, I think I prefer this. Okay, so if it does not, then it will come back down to this particular spot, but for now it is still buying. Okay, this might not be for long also. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, so this is Paynex 999, and of course this has actually got into this region and just broke out from here, so definitely it's going to buy more, so we expect it to buy more at this particular spot. Okay, so probably it should be getting to this particular spot right from there. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend right from this particular support region. Okay, so it kept on going up and still going up at the moment. But at this point, it has gotten to this particular spot. And of course, if it breaks out from here, it's going to buy more, and we should expect it get into this region right from there. Okay, but if it does not break out from there, then we should expect it to have a change in character. That is, it should change the trend right from there. Okay, but at the moment it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.